What's up, guys? What's going on? Welcome back to another lesson on JavaScript. Today we're going to be doing do-while statements. So let's get straight into it. In some cases, you want a piece of code to run at least once and then loop based on a specific condition after its initial run. This is where the do-while statement comes in. A do-while statement says to do a task once and then keep doing it until a specific condition is no longer met. The syntax for a do-while statement looks like this. In this example, the code block makes changes to the count string variable by appending the string form of the I variable to it. First, the code block after the do keyword is executed once. Then the condition is evaluated. If the condition evaluates to true, the block will execute again. The looping stops when the condition evaluates to false. Note, the while and do while loop are different. Unlike the while loop, do while will run at least once whether or not the condition evaluates to true. Instructions. We'd like a program to simulate part of a cake baking process. Depending on the recipe, a different number of cups of sugar is required. Create the variable cups of sugar needed and assign it a number value of your choosing. The cups of sugar must be added to the batter one at a time. Declare the variable cups added and assign it a value of 0. So we're going to declare a variable const cups of sugar needed. I'm going to set it equal to, for instance, 20. And then we're going to add another variable using the let keyword. They said cups added, right? The reason why I'm using the let keyword is because I'm going to reassign and increment the cups added variable. So I'm going to quickly run this. Okay, that's correct. So the next step is we have a sweet tooth. We want to add at least 1 cup of sugar to the batter, even if the value of cups of sugar is 0. Cups of sugar needed is 0. So create a do while loop which increments cups added by 1, while cups added is less than the cups of sugar needed. In order to help us visualize the output on each iteration of the loop, add a console.log within the do while block and log the value of cups added. Okay, so we're going to do we're going to take cups added. I'm going to reassign it to cups added plus equal 1. While cups added is less than cups of sugar needed. So increment by 1, while cups added is less than cups of sugar needed. Okay, so then they said within the statement we need to console.log this. We're going to console.log cups added. Right, let's run that. I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think this is incorrect. I think we need to log it within the do while loop. So yeah. So console log cups added. So now it starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all the way up to 20. Okay, so let's move on. Before we move on, if you'd like, you could have just added, you could have just concatenated a string to this cups added, just to say, for instance, cups added. Just add a space in between there to make it look better. 9 cups added, 10 cups added. Okay, so yeah, that's just a better way of writing it. All right, let's move forward.